Bonjour et bienvenue dans ce cours de français langue étrangère. Je m'appelle Joseph Bassala, je suis professeur de français. Hello and welcome to this French class. I am Joseph Bassala, the French teacher. So this is the second part of the lesson on la nationalité et la profession. So today we are going to speak about la profession. So we already done with la nationalité. So if you missed that, so you can go to our previous video on the nationalité. Okay, so today we are going to talk about la profession. So how to introduce your profession in French. We say the profession is your job or what you do, your occupation. What you do as occupation, we call it la profession. So by the end of this class, you will be able to say on the top of your name with je m'appelle, on the top of your nationality with je suis plus your nationality. Today you must add your profession. So you can introduce also your profession. So let's read the conversation between Blessed and Mr. Joseph. Mr. Joseph said, je m'appelle Joseph. There he introduces his name. Je suis Congolais, he introduces his nationality. And now he is introducing his profession. Je suis professeur. Je suis professeur. I am teacher. I am a teacher. Je suis professeur. I am the teacher. I am a teacher. I am teacher. Et toi, and you, asking to Bless. And Bless say, moi c'est Bless. He is introducing his name. Me, I am Bless. So you can use either je m'appelle Bless or moi c'est Bless. You can say moi c'est Joseph. Moi c'est Diane. Moi c'est Given. So you can introduce using je m'appelle or moi c'est Bless. Je suis Sud-Africain. He introducing his nationality, saying he is South African. And je suis élève. He is introducing his occupation. I am a school kid. I am a school kid. Or I am a pupil. So, this how they are introducing their occupation or their profession. So, this is the expression that we use to introduce our profession. So, you say, je suis, which means I am, plus your profession, your occupation, your job, whatever you think is appropriate for you, you add it there. Je suis professeur, je suis boulanger, je suis élève, je suis étudiant, je suis collégien, je suis vendeur. So you can add any job that you know in French on top of je suis, which means I am. That's how you introduce your job in French. As for the previous lesson, we go to the grammar. We go to the grammar. Parfait. So, we go to the grammar. La grammaire, le masculin et le féminin de profession. So, the masculine and the feminine of the profession. So, profession, masculine and feminine. So, as we know in French, the adjective, most of the time, they agree with the subject. So they take the gender and the number of the subject. So in French, it's not like in English. A male adjective will stay the same when it comes to the female subject. But that's in English. But in French, it does change the same way we did with the nationality applies to the profession. So in French, jobs change form depending on the gender. So in French, the jobs change form depending on the gender. So the masculine for male and the feminine for a woman. Let's observe our example. Je suis assistant for a male gender, for a male subject. Male subject will say, je suis assistant. So, the profession ends with T. Je suis assistant. I am an assistant. Je suis assistant. This is a male assistant. For the lady, je suis assistante. Je suis assistante. As you can see, you add a E for a female assistant. Je suis assistant. I am an assistant. Je suis assistante. I am an assistant, but in this time is a female assistant. Je suis téléconseiller. Je suis téléconseiller. I am a call center. Je suis téléconseiller. I am a call center. Je suis téléconseiller. Ending with a ER. And for a female, we say, je suis téléconseillère. Je suis téléconseillère. Is a female call center agent. So for a male call center agent, we say, je suis téléconseiller. And for a female one, she will say, je suis téléconseillère. Je suis directeur. Je suis directeur. I am director. A male director, we say, je suis directeur. And for a female, we say, je suis directrice. A female director. Je suis directeur, ending with a ter. Become, je suis directrice. Je suis vendeur, ending with a Je suis vendeur means I am a seller. Je suis vendeur, it will be je suis vendeuse for a female seller. Je suis vendeuse. Je suis informaticien, a male IT specialist. Je suis informaticien, a male IT specialist. For a female IT specialist, we say, je suis informaticienne. Je suis informaticienne. And the last one, je suis responsable RH. Je suis responsable RH. Ending with a E. Je suis responsable RH means I am a HR manager. Responsable is the manager or a supervisor or whoever is in charge of HR department. So he is surely a manager. For a female, it will stay the same. Je suis responsable RH. I am a HR manager, but a female one. So as you can see, we have je suis assistant will be je suis assistante for a female assistant. Je suis téléconseiller will become je suis téléconseillère for a female call center agent. Je suis directeur will become je suis directrice for a female director. Je suis vendeur will become je suis vendeuse for a female seller. Je suis informaticien will become je suis informaticienne for a female IT specialist. And je suis responsable RH will become je suis responsable RH for a female HR manager. So these how the French jobs change from a male to a female gender. So let's go to the rules. Découvrez la règle. Please discover the rules. How we go from a male to a female profession. As I say, it depends on the gender of the subject. Any profession or any job that ends with T and D. Example, assistant. It take a E to make female. Example, je suis assistant will become assistante. So if you see any job that ends with a T or D, just add a E to make it female, unless is an exception. Example, étudiant will become étudiante. Marchand will become marchande. Any job that ends with a ER. Example, téléconseiller will become téléconseillère. Conseiller, advisor, you will become conseillère. Any job that ends with a ter will become trice. Example, directeur will be directrice. Acteur will be actrice. Moniteur will be monitrice. Any profession that ends with a will become euse. Vendeur will be vendeuse. Any job ends with a ien will add a ne. Informaticien will become informaticienne. Mécanicien will become mécanicienne. Électricien will be électricienne. Any job that ends with a E, it will stay identical. Exemple, responsable will stay responsable. So, please read the rules and keep it in your mind. Few exceptions, médecin, a medical doctor, stay the same. The only difference that we're going to add is il est médecin for a male medical doctor and elle est médecin for a female medical doctor. So the word médecin will stay the same both for male and a female. So we will just differentiate them by saying il est médecin for a male medical doctor and elle est médecin for a female medical doctor. Un ingénieur will add a E at the end. Engineer will become une ingénieur. Un ingénieur will become une ingénieur. So you add a E at the word ingénieur to make it female. Alright, so to finish, we will do 2 activities as we did for the nationalities. So, let's click on our link on TV5 to practice. So let's go to the link. It's taking few minutes because of the connection problem, but we are getting there. It's downloading. So you can just click to our TV5 link and it will take us straight to the page. Vocabulaire, les professions. Le masculin et le féminin des noms de professions. So you can go through few of the professions that are there and you can apply the rules. We say the way that the work that ends with a yen will become yen. Exemple, un informaticien will become une informaticienne. Un livreur with ending with a er will change to euse, will become une livreuse. Un livreur, une livreuse. The one end with a ter will change to trice. Un acteur will become une actrice. And the one end with a will become Exemple, un infirmier will become une infirmière. And the one end with I stay identical. So it does not change. Few exceptions we have. Un chanteur will be une chanteuse, not une chantrice. So, please go through these professions and try to practice. Let's move to the next slides, the last one. For our class of today, we are going to learning apps. Let's go to the application on the learning apps, application 21, 59, 56, 90. So you go through the links by downloading the class material and practice. Associer la profession avec l'image qui correspond. That's the task. Associate the profession with the pictures that are matching or the picture that corresponding to the profession. So you click, we have many pictures and we have the weights of the job. So le juge, is this a male or a female judge? I don't know. So you just go through it and see. Boulanger is surely this one. Boulanger is gone. So and chanteuse. Surely this one is chanteuse. Is gone. And l'infirmière, surely this one is gone. And médecin, surely this man is gone. Le pilote is this one is gone. And la musicienne. Le juge. La journaliste. Le peintre. L'architecte. Et enfin le policier. Voilà. So you go to all these applications and practice. We are done for this class. So don't forget to like and to subscribe and to visit our website www.frenchlearningexpress.com for more information. So we are done for today. See you tomorrow, same time, same channel. Bye-bye.